on the road again. Where are we headed? I said we. Yeah, that's right. Look at that. Someone's with me. Rolling in the Red Rocks, and I'm not going solo. The wife is super happy that I have friends. Super happy, Kev.
What about it?
Eyes on the road. Eyes on the road.
Apparently there's this thing called fluid level that's very important, and you should check it before you head out on the road. I did take the time to put a new amp in my stereo though. Just want to say. This guy's earning seat time right here. Look at that.
75.90.
It's just
Yeah.
Well, we made it just in time for the storm to roll in. But that's a good thing considering I don't have wipers or inner fenders or, you know, all that other great stuff that would keep a truck running that leaves me stranded and running for my life. Like the Severed to the Southwest show this earlier. Jeez.
That's not needed.
But it would have cleaned all this death off the truck. That's a lot of death.
You don't need it. It's all good.
Water. Out of bottle burrito from a food truck. I probably am with you. Hi. line.
That's a baby making back seat.
That's a good line right there.
You didn't
be best friends. I just wanna be a damn girlfriend. What I gotta do to make you face the truth? You didn't act like a friend that night. Maybe that's why it felt so right. Do I really need to spell it out for you? So why you trying to hide your curiosity when I know you call my name out in your sleep? Tell me, friend, can't you see you're in love with me? It's obvious we are that perfect match. Ain't no catch, you and I will make it last. Place your bet on me and everything will be alright. Take a chance, ain't no risk, you and I won't hit and miss. Give yourself to me and we'll be more than friends for life. It always feels good to be honest. Can't you admit that you want this? Everybody knows it except for you. When you're lying there on your deathbed, you will regret you kept quiet. Also not telling me straight up, ooh. So why you trying to hide your curiosity when I know you call my name out in your sleep? Tell me, friend, can't you see you're in love with me? It's obvious we are that perfect match. Ain't no catch, you and I will make it last. Place your bet on me and everything will be alright. Take a chance, ain't no risk, you and I won't hit and miss. Give yourself to me and we'll be more than friends for life. So, what's it gonna be? You gotta give me something. What's it gonna be? Are we gonna do this or not? I really need to know if you're in or out. You don't have to say the words, just look in my eyes. Tell me, friend, oh, can't you see what you